used to have really bad acne when I was in middle school and high school. I might show a picture, I might not. Hi everyone, welcome to my beauty and lifestyle channel. My name is Isary, and in today's vlog, we are going to be removing my makeup. So I'm basically just gonna walk you through all my steps in how I remove my makeup and prevent my skin from breaking out. I've really just been trying different products and researching on what works best for like oily combination skin. And so this is what I've found so far to be working for me. So I hope you find it helpful. And if you do, please give this video a like and subscribe to help support my channel. So let's dive right in. So I think I'm just gonna tie my hair up first. I usually use hair clips to hold back my money pieces so I can just wash my hair and not worry about it getting in the way, or I don't know, wetting my curls, because I try to keep the curls as much as possible so that I'm not constantly curling my hair and damaging it that way. Since it is bleached, I don't want it to break or have too much breakage, so that's kind of what I do. I kind of forgot to bring my headband or hair clips that usually hold my hair back. However, I did pack some bobby pins, so we're just going to use that for now and work with what we got, because I'm currently not at my place. So I'm going to work with what I got. So we're gonna just pin back our hair so we can remove our makeup. Step 1, wash your hands. We're gonna remove the lashes gently. I like to pull them from the inside. Lashes are off. We are going to store them in a box so that we can reuse them just a few times more before tossing them away once the glue gets thick. I feel like it's just not it. I think we should just take off my earrings already so it'd be easier to just like wipe my face. I used to have really bad acne in high school and middle school, I feel, and it's gotten a lot better over the years. I still have acne scars because I used to pick at my skin a lot, but now I don't, and I'm very anal about what touches my face and whatnot. So I think it's really improved in the texture and how often it breaks out. Like, I've kind of learned how to deal with it when I'm having like a breakout and what products to use to help calm my skin. So to start us off, I am going to wet my face and using one of these awesome, I used to use the magic eraser, and then I just invested in like a bunch of these little ones that I can use to remove my makeup better instead of just using like soap. This is my like travel size. The face wash that I currently use is Fab because I feel like it's gentle on my skin. It doesn't dry me out. I used to use, I think, what did I use? Clean and Clear, just all the drugstore brands and products, and they would really dry out my skin, and it wouldn't really help my acne. I feel like it kind of made it worse. So now I use this one, and I think it does a really good job at gently removing all the grime and all the bad stuff from my skin without it feeling dried afterwards. I am going to just gently rub this on my eyes too. Wet my face and then use this wipe to remove it. And then just kind of show you guys. It works so well in removing makeup, especially when you remove eye makeup. I feel like you just want to be gentle with it and eyebrows and kind of brush it in the way that your hair naturally grows, at least in terms of eyebrows. And yeah, as you can see, it's easier to wipe it off versus using your hand where you're like just like rubbing in circles and damaging your skin even more. Same thing with removing and doing your makeup. You really notice how much makeup changes your face and creates that illusion of like a bigger eye. Yeah, y'all gonna see my skin, but she is in a better condition than she used to be. I used to have, like I said, really bad skin. It just made me really insecure in middle school and high school to have so much acne. It's not focusing, huh? Okay, now it focused. I feel like when you're a teenager, it's crazy because you're dealing with so many emotions and hormones, and at the same time, you're having to deal with insecurity issues because your body's just acting up, like you're breaking out, you know, and it's changing or whatever. Yeah, I'll show you guys kind of these products that have been really helping me at least clear out my skin. I do like extra cleansing to make sure all of my makeup is off before I go to sleep. Like, I do my skincare religiously because I know one day of not doing it, I'm gonna break out so horribly and I'm gonna regret it the next morning. So take your makeup off before you sleep every single time if you want to have good, healthy skin. So once you remove your makeup, make sure it's off your lashes, you know, like lash glue, and then also the sides of your hair. Because sometimes when you do your blush or your contour, your makeup will also get on your hair. You want to make sure you remove that completely before you go to sleep, or you can just like risk it transferring over to your pillow, and then that'll make your skin worse and break out and just like get dirty easier, which is gross. We go in with a toner. I usually use this Balancing Force Oil Control Toner because it's been helping me so much with my breakouts And this is not sponsored, but these are just products that I found that are really helpful for me. And I apply this first and just like lightly on a cotton pad, just lightly rubbing it up. And then I also do it on my neck because almost every product I use on my face, I try to make sure that I use it on my neck to avoid discoloration and just uneven skin tone. Same with sunscreen. Like if you only put sunscreen on your face and not your neck, you're gonna have like 2 different shades. But I don't know, I try to keep it as even as possible in an upward motion against gravity. And it's so crazy, like when you actually use a toner to clean your makeup, like I thought it was all off, but no, like it's still, you know, coming off. That just shows how in depth you really have to cleanse your skin for your night routines, especially after doing makeup. It has stuff in it to make it last on your skin, but it's not good for you to sleep in it. Anyways, so onto my lotion, face lotion. At the moment, I'm using the Murad Hydration Nutrient-Rich Water Gel, and in my experience, because I have like oily combination skin, I've kind of realized that the oily or heavier lotions make me break out versus water-based ones. They maintain my skin's like moisture levels and they make my skin really smooth. I just don't break out with them as much as I would with other products. That's why I'm really big fan of gel. I love gel-based. Like my skin loves them. I always do an eye cream. I used to be hooked on the Fresh gel, but I wanted to try something different. So at the moment, I am trying out Biosense. You can see it. Oh yeah, there we go. And I feel like it's actually working. Like visibly, I can see that my eye is being firmed. I have just genetically really deep bags. And so if they're dry or dehydrated, like they just come out more and they're more pronounced versus creams like this. This one's not gel based, this one's actually a cream based, but it's actually working really good for me so far. Yeah, that's pretty much all I really do for my skincare, at least for my night skincare. I mean, obviously during the day I wear SPF. You know what I did forget? I forgot to put a treatment on. I usually do put a treatment on my skin for my acne, and I use this every maybe twice a week, even though I'm not gonna put it on now because I already put my skin lotion, and I brought it today because I was gonna wear it, but I forgot. I am hooked on all the Sunday Riley products because I swear they work so good. Oh wait, it's unfocused. Focus. Okay. Well, so far I've tried 2. I've tried the Good Genes and then I've tried the Luna Night Oil for calming your skin and getting rid of the redness, and both of them have been I've seen results. So I really like them. I think this is one of the holy grails to why my skin has improved so much. Like if I do a close-up on my skin, I mean right now it might be a little bit irritated because I just took my makeup off, but I don't have like big pimples. I'm breaking out lightly on my chin. It's mostly just like little acne scars that I've been like trying to heal, and I'm in my healing process. That's kind of why I use the Sunday Riley, because it has lactic acid in it. It helps exfoliate, and it's just been a really big game changer for me. I haven't had really like a chance to restock, but it is one of my favorite staples. And then if you need another eye cream recommendation, was Fresh Rose Gel Eye Cream, which I don't even know if they still make it. I'm not sure if they discontinued it or if they still make it, but I remember being hooked on that one at first. I just like the smoothness around my eye. Pretty much all I really do for my night skincare, and then I usually sleep with my hair in a bun just to keep it out of my face. And then I tend to leave my money pieces out, but if I feel like I've been working out and I haven't washed my hair yet, because I try to wash it maybe twice a week, just because I do diet and I don't want it to fade as quickly, then I tie it up because yeah, once again, like I try to keep just my pillowcases as clean as I can and makeup free and just oil free so that my skin is able to heal at night and rest and not break out in the morning. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you at my next video. Bye.